Wesley, billion-dollar virgin here, and welcome to this page here. And listen, what I want to do real quickly is invite you to the first software, crypto software that basically, take up your finger like this. You can push a button, okay, within the software, and it's going to pay you Ethereum and Bitcoin automatically. Basically, you're going to create your own Bitcoin, right, and Ethereum using the software called CryptoPayz. If you don't know who I am, well, my name is Wesley, billion-dollar virgin. I've created many products on the internet, but listen, now I've created software, right? Funny, right? And this software is going to allow you. It doesn't matter if you're a mom, a dad, a 9-to-5 grinder. Doesn't matter if you're a teenager here. This software is going to allow you to basically create Bitcoin and Ethereum with a click of a button here. If you look below, once you leave your information, your email address, and your name, I'm going to give you access to the pre-launch of this software. Listen, hundreds of thousands of people, if not millions of people, understand that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is our future. Think about it for a second. Crypto.com just bought a stadium here in America, okay? Crypto millionaires and billionaires are happening like that. Why not you? This software is a game changer in the crypto space that anybody, including yourself, can own Bitcoin by leaving your information below. On the next page, I'm going to give you access to a webinar, which means is I'm going to alert you. I'm going to do a webinar, and I'm going to show you proof. Once you decide to get it and use the powers of CryptoPayz, I'm going to give you a demo. I'm going to show you how we do it, how the automation works here, and how anybody can have this software. But the pre-launch is only for the first 100 people right now that leave their information below. Listen. My mentors unofficially are Steve Jobs, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Jeff Bezos, and Elon Musk, of course. And these guys are game changers. And I read something about artificial intelligence and say, Wesley, crypto is the future here. So listen, a lot of you, just like myself, I had a very low bank account at one time, had no money. This is the time for you to own some Bitcoin using the automated software. The first 100 people that leave their names and emails right below this video, I'm going to give you access to me. It's a webinar. I'm going to show you proof how it works. And then you're going to be the first person on the planet to have access to CryptoPayz, which is a transformational software in the crypto space. So listen, get excited. I am excited. So listen, all you need to do is this. It's free. Listen. Leave your name and email address, and I will send your email December 8th, hours before that launch. The first 100 people who leave their name and email below this video right now is going to get access. It's going to see the demo. And after that, 101, I'm sorry, you're not going to get access. This is a pre-launch. This is only for the first beta testers that want to try it out and see how you'll no longer work a job. You'll understand that you can take vacations around the world because you have the money to do it. And for the first time, you'll own a Bitcoin, which I believe is the future of currency. So listen, like I said, again, all you need to do is simple and it's free. Leave your name and your email, the first 100 people. Once it's 101, that button will not work. That means you're too late, okay? This is a pre-launch here, and I'm so excited. And I'm actually proud of myself. I'm doing it for not just myself, but my family, and for people like you to earn some cryptocurrency and to generate it automatically using artificial intelligence and software automation. So again, leave your name. Leave your name and email. I'm going to email you as soon as we launch right before December 8th. Put that in your mind, ram that in the back of your brain, because imagine becoming a crypto millionaire before 2022. This is Wesley, billion-dollar virgin.